Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screams and no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you? 'Cause there's a spark in you. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just own the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go, ah, 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 as you shoot across the sky. You don't have to feel like a wasted space. Your original cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds, after a hurricane comes a rainbow. Maybe the reasons why all the doors are closed, so you can open one that leads you to a perfect road. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will blow, and in time you'll know that you just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just own the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go, ah, 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 as you shoot across the sky. Boom, 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 even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. It's always been inside of you, you, and now it's time to let it through. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your